Hello everybody, today I'm doing a mod showcase on Bibliocraft by Niches. I think that's how you say his name. I'm not sure, but this mod helps you organize your various loots and other assortment of things that you get from enchanting books or potions or storing cookies or other various items. And it basically keeps you organized. It keeps your chest clear of anything that should be in anywhere else. So let's start on that and see what we have here. Oak bookcase. This helps you organize your enchantment books and written books, and it is crafted as seen here. And I will show you how this works. So you place it down. It does not have any books in it when you place it down. And you go here. Well, you won't go here, but if you search books and you get a bunch of books, and you can just place them in here, just like this. And when you get it filled up, click with an empty hand. You can see what's in it. You can move them around. Once you move them around, they move around outside also. So you can take a bunch of them and just place them around your walls and help you organize your books. Next is the armor stand. This helps you display your armor. It's crafted as shown here. And it does almost the same thing as the bookshelf, except with armor. So if you go to the armor section, get, say, a chest plate, you can just place it on like that. Or you can take it off. That, I will show you what it is in a minute. You can put it on it too. It's pretty cool. But, yeah, you can display your armor with that and other things that you wear on your body. Next we have an oak case with red lining. You can make it green or blue, I think, also. I don't think you can make it any color wool, but you can make it green or blue. And it's crafted as seen right here. And to use this, it is kind of complicated. You put it on the ground, shift click with an empty hand to open it. You can put an oak case inside of it. Yes. And then close it back by shift clicking with an empty hand. You can put really anything inside of it, but that's how you put stuff in it. You can put an armor stand in there. You can put pretty much anything in there, but it only stores one item, I think. I'm really not sure. It might store stacks, I think, but I don't know. Next we have a oak potion shelf. Does the exact same thing as the bookshelf, except with potions. So we get some potions here. It does work with splash potions and normal ones. So put one there, see? And then put one on the bottom shelf, right there. Put one right there, one right there. Works exactly the same as the oak shelf, oak bookshelf. Gosh, can't talk. Okay. Next, oh, that is the wrong chest. No, it's not. Next, we have the oak tool rack, crafted like this. Does basically the same thing, except with tools this time. So let's just get some tools here. You can put them in the quadrant that you want them in. And as you see that little name up there, that won't pop up if you do not have a monocle, tinted glasses, or reading glasses, which I will get to in a second. So just put a bunch of stuff in there. Next we have an oak shelf. This is for any item. It's exactly like all the others, except it's for any item. And you craft it like this. Put it down. You can put them on top of each other. If you shift click, you can put them sides of each other. You can put them inside of each other. You can put pretty much anything you want in it, like this. You can put that. You can put this here. You can put anything in them that you want, and it stores stacks of stuff too. So say you had a stack of armor stands for some reason, it would have a stack. It would show 64X armor stand right there, instead of just armor stand. Next we have an oak wood label. Now these, shift click it onto a chest. You can shift click with an open hand, and you can put an item in there and it displays that item on the outside. So instead of using a sign to label your chest, you can use these. That's pretty cool. Next we have the oak desk. This is for aesthetic purposes, crafted like this. You take this, you plonk it down. Notice it does not have books on it when you place it. So you have to take books and you can put them on here closed, or you can put them in the middle where it's open and it looks like you're reading. It looks, but you know, you're in Minecraft, so why would you want to read? Because, well, maybe you'll want to read in Minecraft. I don't know. Depends. I'm not you, so I don't know. Next, we have a typesetting table shown like this. This is kind of complicated, so I'll try my best to figure this out. But you have to have a print press chase, and you have to make it like this, and you make the typesetting table like this. You put the chase in the top. You take a written book. So let's just get a book and quill and type some random things. And then assign it as a random book. And then you put it here. You shift, then you right click and it turns blue. Then you right click there. Do that. And it makes the book title right there. Then you need a button. You shift click it onto the front in that little square. Then you press that button and it makes this. And these are used in the printing press, which I am getting to right now. Printing press, make it like this with a lot of iron. You put this down, makes the sound of an anvil. You take the print press plate, put it right there. You take a book. I'm not sure if it has to be a book of any sort or not, but you shift click it to there. Or maybe not. But you put a book here somewhere. I don't know if you need to or not. But if you shift click it to there, it just does that. I don't know why. And if you take... No, it has to be an empty book, I think. Yeah, either a book and quill or a normal book. I'm not sure. Let's try both. Oop. Let's try both here. Where'd he go? Okay, let's try both. Let's try putting that there. Nope. Let's try putting that. Okay, there we go. Now, there's a book there. Now we need ink sacs. Holds up to 64 of these. And it's kind of tricky to place them, but you can place them right there. And then you... Hold on a second. I just got that book back for some reason. You put the book there. And it does its thing. And it should turn this into a copy of your book. So now I have two. So that is very handy. I like that. Now that I figured out how to use it, it's kind of complicated to figure out how to use, but it is very cool once you figure out how to use it. So next we have, I think there's, yes, the golden lantern with a white candle. Next, okay, this is how you craft it. Basically what it does is it looks way better than a torch. You can place it on the ground where it's just like this, sitting on the ground. or you can place it on the ceiling, and it has a little base thing right there. Let's place it where there's no leaves. Let's place it there. So you can hang it from your ceiling, and it looks way better than torches. You can dye it with different color dyes. You can make the candle any color of dye that there is in the game, which that's pretty cool too. You can do the same thing with these fancy lamps, crafted as shown here. They basically do the same thing, except they can't go on the ceiling. They can only go on the wall and the floor, but they still look better than torches. And you can dye the lampshade any color in the game. You can dye it red, blue, purple, orange, any color. And yeah, so you can use those two things instead of torches because they look a lot better. Next, we have a tape measure reel. It is crafted as shown right here, and it is used to make a tape measure with iron around it. And the tape measure, what it does is it measures the blocks so you don't have to count them. So if you go this way, it just shows you right there how far you are. And then if you click on the next block, right click, it shows measurement east-west 20. So if you go diagonal and then click it, it shows north-south 6, east-west 8, and height 1, which is the distance I went in all directions possible. So you don't have to count the blocks. Next, we have an oak wood table, crafted like this. It's basically just a table that looks better than a pressure pad and a fence. That's what it is, yeah, fence. And you can display stuff on it. So mini table on top of a big table, tableception. Also, you can put carpet on it to make a tablecloth. So tablecloth. I don't think you can do that to the mini table though. That'd be cool, but you can't. So you can't take the tablecloth off unless you have one of these, which I will get to in a second. Okay, next. These are reading glasses. I don't have the thing there. These are monocle. Reading glasses crafted like this. They do the same thing as the monocle. They let you see into bookcases and bookshelves and stuff to show you the names of the items that are in there without having to open it. All three of these do the exact same thing. Monocles, reading glasses, and tinted glasses. I will show you them all on you. There's the monocle. I like the monocle. It's my favorite. Reading glasses. They're kind of big. I don't know why they're that big. And tinted glasses. They look like sunglasses. They look amazing. You know, I'm just going to wear these from now on. Okay. Next we have the clipboard. Crafted like this. Actually, hold on. Reading glasses are crafted like this. Monocles crafted like this. And tinted glasses are reading glasses and gray dye. Now, I couldn't find that on the wiki. I had to experiment myself with that, but it works, and there's no tinted glasses there. That makes me mad. Okay, well, that's how you make it, though. So, if you want to look awesome, if you want to have sunglasses like me, that's how you make them. So, next we have the clipboard. It is crafted with 3 paper, 1 ink sac, 1 feather, and a pressure plate. Okay, so this clipboard is basically like a checklist. You can type anything up there, like things to do or to-do list or something. Then you can type stuff in, things you need to do, and then as soon as you get them done, you can check them off. And I'm not sure how many pages there are, probably about infinite. I don't know how many, but there's a lot. So you can not lose track of what you need to do throughout your Minecraft days. And next is the screw gun, and I told you I would get to this. Screw gun made with 3 hardened clay, 1 block of redstone, a button, and a piece of iron. The only use that this has is to take off a tablecloth. That is the only use. So you can switch out your tablecloths. You can... That's basically it. That is all it does. Anyway, next we have an oak seat. Now we need this crafted like this. We need this for the next one right here. Oak seat back, crafted with wool, oak wood slab. And you place this down. Looks like a stool. Then you place this, and it puts a little seat back on it. And you can sit down in it. I look cool because I'm sitting in a seat with glasses on. Yeah. And if you break it in midair, you stay floating, apparently. So, left shift. Okay, next we have a better seat back. Crafted with just 2 more sticks than the original one. And it looks like that. It looks like a chair with a higher back. You can still sit in it, like always. Next, there is a better one. It looks like a dining room chair, crafted with just 4 more sticks than the previous one. And it looks like this. Looks very awesome. Next, we have, in the next chest, this one. You take the dining room chair oak seat back and combine it with a oak wood slab on top. You get this oak seat back with a headrest. So it has a little stick headrest there. And next and last and definitely not least is the oak seat back that makes you look like you're sitting in a throne. Take the dining room one, put 2 oak wood slabs on each side, and it makes armrests. Look at that. Look at that seat back. Looks all fancy and amazing. Okay, so now that we covered all of the seats, we have map things. This drafting compass, made with 3 iron, 2 sticks in the formation, helps you make waypoints on a map. So if you make a map, oak map frame, made with 8 sticks, 1 oak wood slab, if you take it, put it on something like this, you take a map, and you use it. Hold it in your hand for a second, let it generate. You can see that I'm on an island with a lake behind me. Okay, it's generated. Put it in the map frame. Then you can take this and make a waypoint on the map. Right there in the middle of the chest. Right there. Yep. Okay, so now, after you do that, you need one of these. A waypoint compass. Crafted with 4 gold ingots and a normal compass. And I'm really not sure how to use this. I think you just do that. And yes, you right click on the compass, or you right click on the map where the waypoint is. Waypoint 1, see? You right click on the map and it leads you to that point in the real world. So right here is where I'm standing, is where the waypoint is. So that is pretty cool if you want to set a waypoint and then go there, or return there in the future. Next we have a dinner plate. I like this because you can do stuff with it. Quartz slabs, 3 of them. Place it on the ground. Place it on the ground. You can put a cookie on it, or any food type of any sort. So let's get some foodstuffs. Get a golden apple, get some melons, and get some steak. We can put it up there, and we can put a golden apple right there, and it makes a little meal. So you can decorate your tables with this. I'm not sure if you can actually eat it without breaking the plate or not, but I don't think you can. Next we have a cookie jar, which is very cool. It sends out a redstone signal if someone opens the inventory of it. It's like a trap chest, but with cookies. So you place it down. There's no cookies in it. You take some cookies. You put them in the jar. Cookies in the jar. And then if someone opens it, it activates a redstone signal. So you can set up a trap for anybody that tries to steal your cookies. So if anyone tries to steal your cookies, you can rig up a TNT trap and they can explode for stealing your cookies. It is crafted with 4 glass panes, a piece of redstone, a cookie, and an iron ingot. Next, we have the disc rack, which is relatively simple to make. Let's set the time today. Again. Okay, so this disc rack holds, I think, all 12 records in the game. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm not sure if it has enough space for all of them, actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, it does not. It only misses 2, so only misses 2. But still, it holds most of your records. You can put it by your jukebox, and it does not clutter your chests. It makes it where your chests do not get cluttered with music discs. And lastly, we have Redstone Volume 1. You take a book, you put a redstone torch on it, makes Redstone Volume 1, and I really don't think it has any use. I'm not really sure, but you can't open it or anything, so it doesn't really have a use that I see, but it might in the future. So this was Bibliocraft. Hope you liked the mod showcase. If you liked this mod showcase, like the video, comment, subscribe, and share for more videos from us and our channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye!